Good morning, guys. Naresh this side from HP World, Frozen Mall, Aurangabad, and meet my new friend come assistant Alexa. Good evening.
Good evening.
This is how she helped me to manage my all the connected accessories and gadgets like switching off fan, TV, fridge, geyser, even shower also. And I also help. She also helped me to gather the information like Alexa, what is the weather today?
In Aurangabad, it's 25 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies.
Thank you. Let me show you some extra features how she helped me to manage. Like Alexa, add Maggie in my shopping list.
I've put Maggie on your shopping list.
Alexa, add potatoes in my shopping list.
I've put potatoes on your shopping list.
Alexa, set an alarm for 5 p.m.
Third alarm set for 5 p.m. tomorrow.
Alexa, play music.
Here's Hangama music.
So, grab your Alexa built-in PC from your nearest HPV store. Thank you so much. Signing off.